is Darshia, and obviously I'm back for another exciting video. As you know, anyways, well, before we do anything else, I want you to give a huge thumbs up if you like it. And anyways, today we're going to be doing some unboxing video, which is Harry Potter. Obviously I can't show you because the black it's not possible to. Anyways, let's go unboxing. So, yay! As you know, you need scissors because they're actually strings. One string. Albus, just Albus. Okay, yep, done with this bit. It's going to take a little while. Then, wait, is that? Wait, okay, we'll go to the bottom side. Get those strings done. Strings. This may take a while again. Paralyzing. Just let it explode. Not doing things. You do. Oh, yeah. I don't think of that. Just pull it out. Can you take it off? Yay! I've got the first one out. I'll explain to you that later. I just need to finish off Albus. Yeah, there's still one. Oh, this is taking so long. God. Please save me, because this whole video is taking me so long. I just don't want you to wait. And then you say it's fun. I want you to have fun, but how can I do that quick? Okay, I'm back. It took so long. And we got these 5 characters. We got Harry Potter. Okay. We got Ron Weasley. Right here. Spock. Okay. We've got my favourite character, Hermione Granger. Okay. We've got such a hard surname to do. It's Minerva. I have no idea how to pronounce the surname. It's Minerva Nagonega. Okay, that's her. And we got a very, I think it's a wizard. I have no idea what it looks like. Albus Dumbledore. Now, okay, that took so long. So, we're going to start off by Harry Potter. I'm just going to describe the thing and tell you what they do. So, Harry Potter. Oh, welcome Harry Potter. He's the famous Harry Potter that everyone should know. If you watch him, you'll probably see him so far. Every single scene, every single action, you'll probably see him. So, he has like this glasses. Well, don't have them glasses. You can see really barely the scar from when he was a baby. His mum and dad, I think, passed away. I still remember that villain who had bald hair, and if you guys know, but yeah, he had a scarf, very long scarf, and it's red and yellow, just like the Gryffindor sign. You can see it's right long, it's at the back. You see? Oh yeah, and now this one. Oh yeah, it's one seems to not very nice princessy bit. It's anyways, moving on. I'll tell you probably more later on part 2. got Ron Weasley. Hair. Not my type of hair, you can see. Nope. Not that. Oh, no. I'm doing really fine. But there's something I'm still wondering about. What? Because look so happy. Is it a fun show? Is it a musical show? Anyways, why does it have two? Unless that was a scarf, but can I say anything at the book? If it was something like this, then that would have been a scarf, but 2 colours, 2 people inside, I don't think that's it. The wand is brown, not focus, but light brown, so it has very long, wow, really long, that's like a cardigan, but it's a coat. Very long silky looking coat. Even its sleeves, look how long it is. But that's just its tradition. Boots, we don't care. And you can barely see inside its trousers. And I'll say that for the rest of the party. Moving on. My favourite character. First of all, oh yeah. Now, first of all, it's curly hair. You're not going to now know that I love curly hair. Especially when it's wavy. I think that's wavy. It looks curly. Her wand is a little bit like wrong side. But yeah, what we know is why is she holding the books? Who should expel? No one knows. Unless you have watched it. I've never watched it before. Only half clips. We've got tights, like fair grey tights. And again, you can see it's different now. It has like grey shirt and collar, but it has skirts. So it has the skirt, tights, grey skirt, grey tights. Okay, everything and books. It's called Everything Else, and today looks quite angry. Must be facing Draco. Anyways, moving on to the different one. This is a grown-up, especially when it's wavy. I think that's wavy. It looks curly. Her wand is a little bit like wrong side, but yeah, what we know is why is she holding the books? Who should expel? No one knows. Unless you have watched it. I've never watched it before. Only half clips. We've got tights, like fair grey tights. And again, you can see it's different now. It has like grey shirt and collar, but it has skirts. So it has the skirt, tights, grey skirt, grey tights. Okay. Everything and books. It's called Everything Else, and its face looks quite angry. Must be facing Draco. Anyways, moving on to the different one. This is a grown-up. Must be facing Draco. Anyways, moving on to the different one. This is a grown-up.
It's a grown-up. Very bossy grown-ups. Even if your parents help you off, you're gonna cringe. I hate it when parents tell me off. If you guys go corona test, oh my god, that was just one thing. But I'll tell you that next time, hopefully. Now, Minerva, which I think it's surname that well. Obviously, it looks like a witch, not Harry Potter. Look, Exex has a black witch hat. It looks completely different. It has like, okay, it's like a style again, traditional, but green and quite long. You can see its wand has like the red, has the black, and it has like a little, like, it has like a long, yeah, I can't really see its hair. I really can't. Anyways, oh, I didn't want that one. Moving on. For once. And finally we've got Albus Dumbledore. Very long, very short. Oh, yeah, very short. Now, I have lots of descriptions, so down there I'll get it for me to finish this. And again, Ross is just like, it must be his father. But no, really, because his father died. never really seen the flower in action. You can see brunettish long coat. You've got its sleeve. Harry Potter fell out from space. So, yep, as I was saying, very bright light brown font. Bits of decoration. You can see glasses. Very nice hat. I mean, it's not a witch hat. It's not a witch hat. I mean, who would think it's a witch hat? It looks like a good witch hat. Did you guys think? Unit witch hat. And we'll quickly finish this off soon. We've got these dots, brown dots, and well, that's it. And it's eyebrows. Anyways, that's it for this video. Again, we're going to do some